Good day, Kasipnatics. Our topic, loss of exponents. We have the product of power, power of a power, power of a product. First, we have the product of a power. In product of a power, a raised to m times a raised to n, that is equal to a raised to m plus n. So, kung i-observe natin, we have same base. So, kapag same base sila, ang gagawin lang natin sa base, just copy the base, and then you need to add the exponent. So, ayun yung product of a power. Again, if we have same base, we need to add or we need to copy the base and then add the exponent. Example number 1, mga kasipnatics. B squared times b raised to 3. Observe muna natin. Same base ba yung given natin? Okay, same base sila. So, anong gagawin kapag ganyan? If we have same base, we need to copy the base. And then after that, again, copy the base. And then, add the exponent. 2 plus 3. Then, we have b raised to 5. That is the answer, mga kasipnatics. Next one, 2 times 2 raised to 2 times 2 raised to 3. Okay, as you observe, we have same base. The base is 2. So we need to add the exponent. I-add lang natin yung mga exponent. So copy the base and then we have 1 here. Imaginary 1. Then plus 2. And then plus 3. That is equal to 2 raised to 6. And then after that, we need to expand 2 raised to 6. So that is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2, that is 4. Times 2, that is 8. Times 2, that is 16. Times 2, that is 32. Times 2, then we have 64. So 2 raised to 6 is 64. Next example, number 3. Okay, given the quantity of 2x raised to 5 times the quantity of 3x raised to 2. Then, pag ganyan, i-multiply nyo lang yung 2 at 3. Okay. Then we have 2 times 3. Then the next, yung x raised to 5 and then x raised to 2. Copy yung base since parehas naman sila. Then add the exponent. 5 plus 2 equals, okay, burahin ko muna kasipnatics. Yan. Let us continue. 2 times 3, that is 6. Then x raised to 7. That is the answer. 6x raised to 7. Next one, we have the power of a power. In a power of a power, we have the quantity of a raised to m raised to n. That is equals a raised to mn. So, ang ginagawa sa power of a power, we need to multiply the exponent. I-multiply mo lang yung exponent. Okay, example. Example of power of a power. Number 1. Given the quantity of x raised to 3 raised to 2. Okay, so pag ganyan, you need to multiply the exponent. So, copy the base and then 3 times 2. Okay, yan. And then after that, x, 3 times 2, that is 6. So, the answer is x raised to 6. Another example, number 2. So, given the quantity of 3 squared raised to 2, then again, you need to multiply the exponent. 2 times 2, that is 4. Sulat ko pala muna. Then, 3, 2 times 2, that is 4. Yan. Then, you need to simplify 3 raised to 4. When you expand 3 raised to 4, that is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Then, simplify natin. 3 times 3, that is 9 times 3, 27 times 3. Then, we have 81. Next example, number 3. Okay, given the quantity of 2a raised to 3, quantity raised to 5. So, ayan yung given natin. So, you need to multiply the exponent. Exponent ng 2, that is 1. So, 1 times 5. Ayan yun. Sinulat ko lang yung imaginary 1 ni exponent. Then, 3 times 5. Then, let us simplify. 2 raised to 1 times 5. That is 5. And then, a raised to 3 times 5. That is 15. Then, after that, isimplify natin si 2 raised to 5. That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Then, we have 32. So, the answer is 32a raised to 15. Ayan yung sagot natin. Next one, we have power of a product. In power of a product, we have the quantity of a, b raised to n. So, kapag ganyan yung given, that is a raised to n, b raised to n. So, ano yung ginawa? Bakit naging a raised to n, b raised to n? So, kapag ganyan, power of a product, ang ginagawa lang natin, dinidistribute natin yung exponent dun sa exponent ni A at exponent ni B. That's why, meron tayong n. Or a raised to n, b raised to n. Example, mga kasipnatics. Number 1, given the quantity of x squared, y raised to 3, raised to 4. So, ayan yung given natin. We need to distribute the exponent. So, x raised to 2 times 4. Then, the next one, distribute mo yung y, o yung 4, sa y raised to 3. That is 3 times 4. Simplify natin ngayon. We have 2 times 4, that is x raised to 8. And then, y, 3 times 4, that is 12. Then, that is the answer for a power up of the product. No? Ayan yun. I-distribute lang natin yung exponent. Number 2, given we have the quantity of 3a raised to 2, b, c raised to 10, quantity raised to 2. Again, pag power of a product, dinidistribute lang natin yung exponent. So, exponent ng 3, that is 1. Okay, so, we have 3 raised to 1 times 2. Then, next one, we have a raised to 5 times 2. Next, yung b naman, b, so that is 1 times 2. C, we have raised to 10, that is times 2. Simplify natin ngayon. 3 raised to 1 times 2, that is, we have 3 raised to 2. Then next, yung A naman, A, 5 times 2, that is 10. Then B, 1 times 2, that is 2. Then yung C naman, 10 times 2, that is 20. After that, simplify natin yung 3 squared. When you expand 3 squared, that is 3 times 3. And then 3 times 3, we have 9. Then that is the answer. 9A raised to 10, B raised to 2, C raised to 20.